Hey, and welcome back in a new video. Today we are visiting a waterfall. Very cool. So let's go.
So we have never been here. We don't know what to expect and we don't know how long we need to hike.
It's really cute now that you see that in Sweden it starts to be autumn.
All the leaves are yellow.
You can really see it's September.
I can hear the waterfall. Do you also hear the water?
Yeah, it's really nice.
The landscape here is super cute,
Yeah.
super beautiful. So much moss, super cute. I think today we have probably one of the last summer days here in northern Sweden. And that means 24 degrees. Giulio even brought his swimming suit. That's why I have the towel.
I'm gonna swim here. Oh, I saw fish. Oh, many fishes. There.
On the 1st of September in our region here, it started that they are allowed now to hunt all the moose and we should wear colorful things when we go in the forest.
But I don't think we're in danger. The hunters are probably really skilled and prepared. Oh wow!
I think that's really it, I don't know. I think we found a hidden gem.
Do you think there is more of it? A bigger waterfall somewhere else?
Later we can go up, but from the pictures it kind of looks like that.
Okay, cool. We're now gonna stay here in this sunny area.
Get brown, play some games, be careful. Woo.
So, I'm wearing my swim pants now. But I'm honestly a little bit scared of swimming. It seems really strong, the flow, the stream. Pray for me.
For me it's too cold to go in the water and a little bit too scary, but Giulio does a pretty good job. Oh. Giulio said he's just going in the water for you guys. Oh my god! You can't, it's too cold, it's too cold. Come out, it's okay. You did a great job. Giulio, you're such a monkey.
It's so fucking cold.
Now, we're trying to get a little bit closer to the small waterfall. Let's see.
Also, if you see that the quality is a little bit different of the video, it's because we're filming with the phone. Because someone forgot to put the SD card into the camera and I just left it home.
Oh, do you see the bench here?
Oh, super cute. Super cool.
But it's definitely a tiny waterfall.
Yeah. There's also a small bench here. Let's try to explore a little bit. Ah, rainbow! Oh, look at these super big mushrooms. There are still the last plant of blueberries here.
So when we drove through this Naturreservat, we also saw a few lakes. There was one place that we liked a lot. It was like a grilling place, a sitting area, all really next to the lake. And we thought about going there now. And we brought also chess and yeah, spent some time there. Here it's super cute. We're driving here over a river, plus there is a super old railway passing here. But it doesn't look like someone that, I don't know, it doesn't look like trains are still driving here.
Okay, we just arrived. Let's go.
It looks so cool.
It is so quiet here. Amazing.
we decided to stay here. I mean, this place speaks for itself. And we brought some games.
So guys, for today, I think we showed what we needed to show. It's a really beautiful place. We will definitely come again.
And now we just want to enjoy this incredible, stunning view.
So, see you in the next video.
Thanks
Bye.
for watching. Bye.